Hey, I did a song like 2 days ago. A song that I first learned, or that I learned, not that I first learned. That was the only time I ever heard it in my life, when I was 4 going to 5. And someone suggested that I had some lines to it, so I'm doing that song again. And yes, the title of the song is Keresimesi, Odun, meaning Christmas time has come. Yes, Christmas season has come. Keresimesi, Odun, Keresimesi, Odun, Odun ijo, Odun ayọ̀. Keresimesi, Odun ó wá sáyé fún tèmi tìrẹ. Keresimesi, Odun Jésù Kristi ọmọ Maria. Keresimesi, Odun Keresimesi, Odun Keresimesi, Odun Odun ijo, Odun ayọ̀. Keresimesi, Odun Odun ẹ̀rín, Odun ọ̀yàyà. Keresimesi, Odun Odun iyán, Odun ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí o. Keresimesi, Odun Ọdún ìrẹsì, ọdún ẹran ńlá o. Keresimesi, Odun Keresimesi, Odun Keresimesi, Odun Ọdún ìjọ, ọdún ayọ̀. Keresimesi, Odun Actually, my name is Ayo, so Keresimesi is my Odun. Odun ẹ̀rín, Odun ọ̀yàyà. Keresimesi, Odun Odun iyán, Odun ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí o. Ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀fọ́ ẹlẹ́gùsí. Keresimesi, Odun Odun ẹ̀rín, Odun ọ̀yàyà. Keresimesi, Odun ọdún ìrẹsì, ọdún ẹran ńlá o. Keresimesi, Odun Keresimesi, Odun Keresimesi, Odun Ọdún ìjọ, ọdún ayọ̀. Keresimesi, Odun ó wá sáyé fún tèmi tìrẹ. Keresimesi, Odun Jésù Kristi ọmọ Maria. Keresimesi, Odun Keresimesi, Odun Keresimesi, Odun ọdún ìjọ, ọdún ayọ̀. Keresimesi, Odun Yes, I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Remember, Jesus Christ is the reason of the season. As I celebrate this Christmas, don't break his heart. He came for your sake. He came for you to be free from your sin. If you have never asked him into your heart, or maybe you asked him into your heart sometimes, but you are not allowing him to live through you, this is the time to let him have his way in your life. Bye bye.